All right, guys, we're back again. We got Adam here going to try a box of 2013 Bowman Sterling Football. All right, good luck. Love the design of Sterling this year. All right, so similarly to the other releases, we got a box stock. Going to get a jumbo patch, and it is a very nice one. Sweet. Numbered 20 of 171, 4-color EJ Manuel. Very, very nice. All right, excellent start. All right, Eric Reed to Rick Rogers. LaShawn McCoy to 50. We'll flip this over. Got a Christine Michael Prism Refractor, 2-color patch auto to 55. And a jersey of Monty Ball to 1206. Uh-oh, we got a booklet in here. We've got a booklet. Kerwin Williams, Sheldon Richardson, DeMontre Moore. Quad autographs. Uh-oh. Quad autographs. Let's look at it together. Oh, very cool. Numbered 5 of 10. Gio Bernard, Le'Veon Bell, Monty Ball, and Eddie Lacy. That is sweet. Think about that one. Awesome piece. All right, pack number 3. I don't know how much better it's going to get than that. All right, Corey Fuller, Matt Ryan, Lonnie Pryor. We'll switch over. We got a Denard Robinson rookie autograph. And, oh, wow, look at that patch. The beak of the eagle there. 2 of 50, Matt Barkley. What a box. Pack number 4. A Jordan Poyer, Jonathan Franklin, AJ Green to 99. Got a Chris Gregg rookie autograph, and a Marcus Lattimore, number to 1214, jumbo jersey. All right, redemption here. Brandon Marshall, Justin Hunter, Christine Michael. Then we've got a Stephon Taylor to 1214, jumbo jersey. And our redemption is for, nice autograph, Ryan Nassib. Should be the flat autograph. All right, in our last pack, Ace Sanders, Le'Veon Bell, Mike Glennon. Jersey autograph number to 361, Nile Davis. And a jumbo jersey of Robert Woods, number to 1214. Very nice box. Let's take one more look at that booklet here. Show that bad boy off. Check it out, guys. Quad autograph, number to 10. Gio Bernard, Le'Veon Bell, Monty Ball, and Eddie Lacy. Sickness. All right, buddy. Appreciate it very much. Congrats, and I will get all this out to you as soon as I can.